Hi, my friends. Mrs. Holbrook and Baby Echo here for our warm-up. Let's do some digraphs today. WH, w, CH, ch, SH, sh, TH, CK, k. Great job. And let's do all of our vowels. A apple, A safe, A. E ed, E P, E. I itch, I pine, I. O octopus, O home, O. U up, U mule, U rule. And for our R control vowels, AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ER, her, IR, bird, UR, burn, Great job, my friends. And now for our new trick word of the day. Today's trick word, take a look at it. If you had to tap it out, what does it look like? A W, an OR, which we know normally says OR, horn, or, and a K. Work. That's not a real word. The tricky part is that OR. It actually sounds like ER. This word is work. Work, work, work. Let's read the sentence together and air circle our new trick word, work. You must go do your work. So remember, only the tricky part is that E, that R controlled O that sounds like the short E in the middle, the not the short E, the E controlled by the R. Blah. Let's go ahead and skywrite work. 2 fingers. Here we go. W-O-R-K. Work. And go ahead, take your finger and write it on your table as many times as you need to, if this is a tricky trick word for you. All right, my friends, and now for us to play a lovely game of Beat Baby Echo with all of our trick words. Mr. and Mrs. Ben, own, want, wear. Remember, try to be fast and beat Baby Echo. Say it before Baby Echo. One, said, buy, also, into, come some, would, could, should, her, over, number, friend, other, another, none, nothing, people, month, little. Whew, how'd you do? Did you beat Baby Echo half the time? More than half? Okay, good for you. If there were words that were especially tricky, those are ones you could put on flashcards and keep practicing. Okay, today we're going to review the suffix ing. And remember, when ing is a glued sound, it says ing ring ing, like in sing. But when it's as a suffix, sometimes it sounds more like ing, like sing ing, run ing, laugh ing. And we put it after a base word to show that you're doing something right now. So take a look at this list of 2-syllable words. Since we've already learned how to do suffix ing with 1-syllable words, we're going to practice it with 2-syllable words. So I want you to look in this first row and see. I'm trying to move my box here so it's out of the way. Look in this first row and see if you can find a word that has a suffix ing. What does it say? Let's tap it if you need to. S, l, a, sh, slash, slashing. Good. Look at the second row. Can you find any words with a suffix ing? What does it say? The first one? It's got a glued sound. Bull, ink, blink, blinking. I'm blinking my eyes. Okay, so far we only found one syllable words with suffix ing. Aha. Here's a two-syllable word with ing at the end. Insist. Insisting. I'm insisting you do all of your foundations work. It's important. When you insist, it means you think something must be done. Okay, and let's look at our last row. Find me a word with two syllables and a suffix ing. What does it say? What's the first syllable? In. What's the second syllable? Vent. What's the base word? Invent. Whole word? Inventing. Are you inventing anything? You're right, there was another one syllable word with a suffix ing. What was it? Stamping. Great. Now, who can find me a word with two syllables and no suffix? What can you find? Read them all to me. Napkin, good. Himself, right there. Can you read me this two-syllable word? Cobweb, cobweb. How about in our next row? What did you find that's two syllables? Lapdog. Dentist, dentist. And in our third row, what did you find for words with two syllables? Campfire, campfire. And vampire. Excellent. Okay, now I'm going to make you look a little bit deeper. We've learned about compound words. Can anyone find any compound words? Words that have two real words as their syllables put together to form a new word. A lapdog, that's right. Lap is a word, and dog, it's a dog that sits in your lap. And campfire, very good. Campfire, a fire you have maybe while you're camping. Last question. Find me a word that means to create something new. Inventing. Excellent. Okay, my friends, we are going to do a little bit of dictation, and that's all today. So get something to write with. We will do um, four words that have multi-syllable words and then have a suffix ending. Okay, here we go. Your first word is disrupting. So let me ask you, what is the base word? To help you visualize this, I am going to draw a line for each syllable, and then I'm going to kind of pre-mark my suffix. I'm going to put it right there as a circle. Okay, so the word was disrupting. The base word would be disrupt. Let's break it into syllables. Dis, tap out dis, and write it. Go ahead, let's do that together. Dis. And remember, it's not a bonus letter because it's not at the end of the word, it's in the middle. The second syllable, rupt. P, t. Disrupt. Good, we have our base word, disrupt. There's a little bit of space in there, which I don't love because it's one word. I might need to rewrite that. And now let's add our suffix. Ing, disrupting. Is there anything that someone in your house does when you're trying to work that's disrupting you right now? My kids are fighting over toys. It's very disrupting. Okay, here's your next word. This time, if you want to draw out your syllable lines, that's fine. Just make sure they're right next to each other so that we don't have this space. That's not good. Repeat after me. Insulting. Base word, insult. Let's do the syllables. In, salt. Go ahead and pause here while I write it and then check with me. In, salt. And then ing, suffix ing. Insulting. Okay, let's mark it, guys. Let's underline the base word, circle the suffix. Insulting. Okay, 2 words I'll have you do, and then we'll check them to mine. Repeat after me. Finishing. Base word, finish. Let me hear the 2 syllables. Fin-ish. Pause and do that word, and here's your next word, your last word. Publishing. Base word, publish. Syllables, publish. Pause and work on those words, and then let's check them and mark them together. Okay, my friends, let's go ahead and mark these words. Let's scoop our syllables. Fin-ish. And let's circle that suffix. Ing. Publish. And let's circle the suffix. Ing. Finishing, publishing. Great job, everybody. And we have 1 sentence to end on. Here we go. Let me erase all of our words. Before we do that, let's read our words smoothly. Disrupt, disrupting, insult, insulting, finish, finishing, publish, publishing. Before you erase yours or get rid of yours, practice reading them smooth, smooth, smooth. Okay. I just need a little bit more space. That's why I'm erasing. And here is our last thing today. It is a sentence. And I will draw some lines so we know how many words. Repeat after me. Stop disrupting our class. Okay, we have stop that you'll have to tap out. Disrupting you'll have to tap out. Our is a trick word. And class is a word you can tap out. So you have 3 words to work on. Pause here and then let's check. Okay, let's check stop. It looks right. Let's check disrupting. The base word is disrupt. 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 And there's our suffix, ing. Our is our trick word. Class. Ooh, did you remember the bonus S? Because it's a bonus letter. 1 syllable word, S after a short vowel. Okay, let's scoop it and read it. Stop disrupting our class. Stop disrupting our class. Did you start with a capital? Did you end with a period? I think this should be an exclamation point because we are mad. Stop disrupting our class. All right, guys, keep practicing your reading. Keep practicing that when you read, it sounds smooth, not like a robot. And look for words all around you. Have a great day.